Grand greetings guys. In today's video I'm just going to show how to have a custom URL in Facebook and custom username in Facebook. Here we go and find it how to do it. Okay guys, we came into a video. So here on the top you can see both of my Facebook accounts. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. So on top right corner I'm just pressing that. After pressing you can see here on the first Facebook profile. If you go to that, you can just see my profile here. If I click on the link on the top, here you can see www.facebook.com/Kiruthik1105.fb. So how to keep your custom Facebook name. So I'm just going to say that. So what do? Open a new tab. After opening a new tab, click on the three dots on the right in the Chrome. Here you can see desktop site. Click on that once and again go into the Facebook. So if you zoom in and go to the right, here you can see a triangle facing down. Click on that. It takes some time to load. After that it comes. Here in settings, go into that. Then a new page opens. In that, what should you do is just to zoom in and straightly to the username you can see here. Click on that. After clicking, it shows a pop-up menu like this where you can see the username is available. It shows like that. If you go into this and keep your custom username, so if it is available it shows with a green tick. If it is not available it shows with a red tick. See here, this is not available, so I can't keep this. If you change 3 times per day, it is considered to be spam in Facebook. So what should you do? You should change only 2 times per day. If you change for the third time, you cannot change it for the 3 days. After 3 days only you can change it back to whatever you want. So don't do that. If you do that, it is considered to be spam. That's all. So after keeping that, use the save changes. So it asks the password. You just want to give the password. Sorry, I'm just going to pass it because I'm just going to enter my password. Yeah, here I gave the password and give submit. After that, you can see after reloading the page, the last change that you made is your username www.facebook.com/Kiruthik1105. Why? Because I kept 1105 only because my birthday was on May 11, so that only I kept it like that. So don't forget to me follow on Facebook and Instagram and the Twitter. I've given the links in the description. Go and follow me, and don't forget to click the red subscribe button below and the bell icon near to that, so that you will get an instant notification from our channel when I upload a video for you. See you in the next video. Until signing off, Kiruthik. Bye. Cheers.